Kim Kardashian is 43 years old and she looks absolutely amazing. Clearly, whatever she's doing is definitely working. And yes, we know she has a full glam squad. Yes, she uses filters. And yes, she spends a lot of money on her looks. But here's a picture of her with makeup. And here's another picture of her without makeup. And I think we can all agree that her skin looks absolutely amazing. Her skin looks really healthy. Kim is kind of the gold standard in beauty. She is a trendsetter. Her entire business is centered around her looks. And because of her position and access, she is the perfect case study for the type of beauty treatments we should be using. Kim also experiments a lot with facial treatments and procedures, but she has a few that she does frequently. So you know, if she's doing it over and over again, then it's gotta be good. Let's look at some of the most frequent treatments Kim admits to doing to keep her skin looking amazing. And I'll tell you how you can get the same treatments or similar results without breaking the bank. For years, Kim has been doing microneedling. Basically, microneedling uses very fine needles to create micro-injuries in the skin. That sounds more painful than it actually is, but these very tiny pinpricks initiate a wound healing process and improve the overall health and appearance of the skin. Kim has done different types of microneedling. She's done standard microneedling, microneedling with PRP, and radiofrequency microneedling on both her face and body. So why is she doing this every year? Well, in one session of microneedling, you stimulate more collagen than you lose in 1 year. So this really is one of the best things most people can do for their skin. You're going to see an improvement in fine lines, wrinkles, acne scarring, and texture changes on the skin, as well as pore size. You may also see reduced pigmentation and improved skin tone. It also helps maintain that bouncy, youthful skin that keeps us looking fresh as we age. A microneedling session at a med spa can cost on average about $1,000 per session. This can add up if you're microneedling every 6 weeks or so. But you can literally get the same result with a dermapen. You can buy these from Amazon and they cost about $100. A popular one is this brand called Dr. Pen. An even cheaper option is a manual derma roller. These ones go for about $20 on Amazon and are a great entry point for most people. This is actually how I started microneedling. I bought a $20 derma roller. I remember thinking, why would I pay someone a lot of money to basically injure my skin? Of course, that doesn't make sense, but it made perfect sense to me at the time. Another treatment that Kim Kardashian loves is the salmon sperm facial. It gives your skin a glass-like, almost hard-boiled egg look. They use a compound derived from salmon sperm DNA called PDRN, which is injected or microneedled into the skin. It then helps repair your skin barrier, reduce inflammation, and improve elasticity. It's almost like giving your skin blueprints to rebuild itself. And Kim loves this treatment so much that she talked about it in her show and even flew all the way to South Korea with her friends to get it. A salmon sperm facial costs anywhere between $500 and $800 in the US. But in South Korea, it costs only $150. But for those of us on a budget, you can buy serums like this one, Rejurin, that Kris Jenner was promoting, which is only $52. And there are many other brands, particularly Korean beauty brands, which sell over-the-counter topical PDRN serums, face masks, and more. And those work, but they're not as good as getting it injected in your skin. And finally, another treatment that Kim loves is lasers. Kim Kardashian swears by lasers, and she uses them all the time to tighten her skin. There are so many different types of lasers, and Kim has admitted to getting a lot of them. Here are a few of her absolute favorites. Kim uses the soft-wave laser to firm and lift her face. It uses ultrasound technology to tighten and lift. Kim used this before the Met Gala in 2025, and she even wrote about it on her Instagram. Morpheus 8 is a microneedling and radiofrequency treatment Kim uses all the time to tighten her stomach. She says that's how she gets a super flat belly in her Skims photos. And finally, one of the best lasers you can ever do is Moxie laser. They call this one the no filter laser, and for good reason. It's a gentle, non-ablative laser used to treat skin texture and sun damage. It only takes about 7 minutes. The downtime is super minimal, and it will leave you with that Kim Kardashian glass skin. I do a Moxie every 3 months. It shrinks my pores, it makes my skin look gorgeous without makeup. But lasers are not cheap. Depending on the type of laser, they can go for upwards of $300. But what's great about lasers is that you get to see the results immediately, and some of them have very little downtime. And there you have it. Those are Kim's favorite face treatments. If I had to pick one to start with, keeping cost in mind, I would start with microneedling and maybe infuse serums into the skin while microneedling. That is a great starting point, I think. But even as we try to get our skin to look flawless, remember you are beautiful just the way you are. You don't need all these treatments, but they are nice to have. Have you had any of these done? How did your skin look afterwards? Let us know in the comments and see you soon.